This is our customized crawler undercarriage assembly. Thickened high-strength steel frame handles heavy loads in various harsh working conditions. Practical modular design enables quick and easy installation for engineering, construction, and mining equipment. This is our production line for track chassis assemblies. Laser cutting ensures precise blanking of raw steel plates. Advanced bending equipment is used to shape metal components strictly according to design drawing requirements. Automatic robotic welding equipment creates neat uniform weld seams and maintains stable and consistent welding quality. Precision machining strictly controls machining tolerances and guarantees accurate assembly dimensions for seamless fitting. Shot blasting clears surface oxide, rust, and impurities to boost coating adhesion and long-term anti-corrosion performance. Professional spraying forms a solid coating to offer lasting anti-corrosion protection against moisture and salt fog. Strict inspection is conducted on all semi-finished products to check dimensions and detect defects before assembly. We begin customization development with technical drawings and 3D modeling. Load parameters, mounting dimensions, and technical details are negotiated and fully confirmed with customers prior to manufacturing. The main frame is built with thickened steel plates. It delivers outstanding load-bearing performance to cope with heavy loads. This robust structure ensures reliable durability and long service life under severe and complex working conditions. These are our key chassis components. Wheels, tension systems, and hydraulic units undergo heat treatment for great wear resistance. Premium parts ensure reliable chassis operation. We begin assembly by loading the main frame. All basic structural components are pre-installed in strict accordance with standard procedures. Next, we install support rollers and top roller assemblies onto the frame. All fasteners are securely tightened in compliance with specified torque requirements. Then we fit the idler wheel and tension assembly to the frame. Precise calibration ensures suitable track tension for stable long-term operation. Now we wrap the track around all wheel assemblies. Track tension is finely tuned to prevent excessive wear and track slippage in various working conditions. Next, we arrange and connect the full hydraulic pipeline system. All tubing is routed neatly and precisely fitted to ensure smooth oil circulation and stable power transmission. Next, we arrange and connect the full hydraulic pipeline system. All tubing is routed neatly and precisely fitted to ensure smooth oil circulation and stable power transmission. Then we recheck all fasteners and complete overall visual inspection. Every connection point is verified to guarantee reliable finished quality. We conduct comprehensive final quality inspection once assembly is completed. Inspectors carefully examine track fasteners, chain links, and all structural surfaces of the chassis to find any potential flaws. This strict check removes hidden defects to guarantee stable and reliable long-term operation in diverse working conditions. After quality inspection, each chassis will be tested for traveling performance. After completing all assembly and inspection procedures, we obtain finished heavy-duty crawler undercarriages. Each complete chassis is fully assembled with hydraulic drive, wear-resistant track plates, and reinforced support structure, ready for direct matching with your construction machines such as drilling rigs, crushers, and small excavators. We provide customizable mounting structures and OEM modification services for global equipment manufacturers to meet diverse site operation needs. Let us take a full 360° view of our complete crawler undercarriage series. First up is the compact narrow track model. Thickened wear-resistant track plates and reinforced chain reduce abrasion on rough terrain. High-power integrated hydraulic drive supports flexible in-place steering and strong climbing capacity. Its narrow structure enables operation in limited and narrow working spaces. We also offer heavy-duty wide-frame crawler chassis for large load demands. The thickened integrated frame effectively eliminates shaking during heavy-duty continuous operation. Modular split design makes daily disassembly, maintenance, and part replacement much easier. We can customize dimensions and structures according to your machine installation requirements. Our crawler undercarriages can be equipped on drilling rigs, excavators, and many types of engineering machinery. They are widely applied to field construction, geological prospecting, and foundation engineering projects all over the world. They achieve smooth, flexible traveling and reliable, precise steering to support efficient and agile on-site operations even in cramped and confined surroundings. They deliver consistent, steady mobility and outstanding long-lasting, durable performance when facing diverse, tough construction conditions and frequent dynamic load changes. They perfectly adapt to complicated outdoor job sites featuring uneven terrain, muddy ground, slippery slopes, soft ground, and limited narrow working space. We have abundant stock of crawler undercarriages ranging from 3 ton to 200 ton to meet different load requirements. Multiple standard models are available for immediate shipment. All series are CE certified with complete certification documents ready for your import customs clearance. We can also arrange customized chassis production if standard specifications cannot satisfy your project demands. Qualified crawler undercarriages are fully wrapped with moisture-proof protective film against damp and rust. Robust wooden frames are fitted to avoid impact damage in transit. Packaged goods are loaded onto trucks and shipped from our factory to the port terminal. Finally, all well-packed products are carefully loaded into standard shipping containers. We arrange professional loading for safe overseas sea shipment to global clients. We are Murphy, specializing in crawler undercarriages. Message us if you are interested in our products.